Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Phantom, and in today's video we got a sneaker review brought to you by Pkstockx. And in today's video we're going to be answering the question, is Pkstockx legit? Well, let's find out. Today we have the yellow Travis Scott Canaries in the low, and y'all can see right here, these look fire. The blue and yellow combo with a cactus jack right here on the tongue, it looks beautiful. Check out the back, y'all. If your Travis Scotts don't have this and alternating combos, man, they're probably foo-foo. Let me tell y'all that right now. So y'all can see right here that the material looks super good, man. The shoes come with a StockX tag and 2 other laces, which we'll check out later. And here's the other shoe, man. These look super good, and these go for about $450 everywhere else, but with Pkstockx these go for $130. And if y'all use my code Phantom, you guys are actually gonna get it cheaper, which is honestly amazing. Like, look at the bottom, man. These look like the real deal. And as y'all can see right here, it comes with the blue laces right here. Also comes with the red one. I'm probably gonna alternate the yellow and the blue just because, you know, it brings honor to the actual shoe. It also comes with the YDM tag, and if y'all know, Nike started putting YDM tags to further authenticate their shoes. And bro, these look amazing. Look at that stitching and the quality of the materials. It looks just like the real pair. If you're a reseller trying to get into shoes right now, this is where you should be buying your shoes, because Pkstockx got everything from footwear, clothes to accessories from brands like Jordan, Balenciaga, Dior, Lanvins, and anything else that you really need. And also, back to school, you know, they're gonna have a big discount. You know, you can stack coupons up, and man, honestly, y'all better shop with them. I hope this video answered your question. Yes, they are legit. Shipping took about 7 weeks. It could take up to 14 days depending on where you live. So yeah, guys, this has been Phantom. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.